OAWALKER here, and in this video I'm going to be taking a look at my new gaming PC. It's been 3 years since my last one, so I decided to do a brand new update to it, kind of rebuy every single component. I want to go through all the little specs. Let's take a look at codename Frostbite. So first things first, we've got a Thermaltake View 71 Snow. So it's a white one. You can see how it looks with the RGB and then how it's all set up. Looks pretty dope. I'm going to be doing an unboxing on that as well. Next we have the MSI Gaming Trio graphics card 2080 Ti. Pretty good card as well. I'll be doing an unboxing on that, so stay tuned on my channel if you want to see that. Over here we got some RGB fans. I've got 5 RGB fans, and so basically it's gonna look pretty nice in it. It's gonna be glowing. I'll show you that after as well. And we've got some Shake Mods white cables. So, you know, to kind of go with that white theme. Down here, we've got the Kraken X72, 360mm liquid cooler. So it should be pretty good. I've called in the 9900K. And just below the graphics card, we have an 850 watt platinum power supply. So that is pretty good. Should be more than enough. As for RAM, we got the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. 32 gigabytes, clocked in at 3000 megahertz, 216 gigabyte sticks, so that should be pretty good. And the Samsung 970 Evo, 1 terabyte storage. Again, super fast storage. I know this is a bit overpriced. You can get a cheaper SSD if you want to go down that route, but I just decided just to go all out. We got Windows 10 because, you know, I'm going legit. I know I could get Windows 10 a lot cheaper, but just decided just to get the full copy. We got a network cable there, and this is the 9900K. This is the OEM box. I know when you buy the full retail packet, you get this nice kind of hexagon, octagon, whatever it is, lovely case. And this one, you just kind of comes in a little box. And you just have a little thing there, and your CPU is just sitting right there. So that's pretty dope. I did get a free game with it, Black Ops, and I think some other games as well, some other Steam games. I haven't redeemed it yet, so I already have Black Ops, so maybe I'll do a giveaway on that. Leave a comment down below if you want to see a giveaway. I've bought some thermal paste just in case I need it, and I've got a LED controller for those fans so I can sync all of them up. And over here we have the Gigabyte Aorus Master motherboard, which is, I think everyone's saying, is one of the best motherboards you can get. And if you're thinking about getting one, do not get Asus. That's all I'm saying. Go do your research. So this is my complete build. I'm going to be building this all together, and I'll show you the final results and what it looks like. Like I said before, I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the case, the graphics card, the motherboard, maybe the liquid cooler as well, and I think that's about it. So if you want to see all of those things unboxed, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. And yeah, so that is about it for my 2019 Frostbite build. Yeah, I see you when it's done. Okay, and we are done. So this is the completed build. Frostbite. I'll get everything set up and everything's working a-okay. Just going to take a look at it. So you can see this is what the case looks like with everything off. We're just going to open it up and just kind of show you inside and what it looks like. So inside I got the radiator at the top. We got the mirror, NZXT. Here, which is all RGB. I'll show you that lit up in a second. I've got RGB fans. I bought five pack of RGB fans. I put 3 at the front, 1 at the back, and I had a spare one, so I decided to put one right there. I've got 2 hard drives right here, you know, provide a bit of extra airflow for those 2 hard drives. In the future, I may put 2 more RGB fans at the top and the bottom just to make it look a bit better. I was planning on putting RGB fans at the top, but these ones run at 2000 RPM, and I couldn't find any RGB fans that ran at 2000 RPM. Plus these ones are pretty quiet, and you know, I don't have any issues with them, so I might keep that for now. I might change that in the future.
Got my graphics card there, and everything else looks pretty good so far. I've tested everything. I've actually got it overclocked to 4.9 gigahertz and all cores right now, so that's not too bad. Could have got 5 if I spent a bit more time tweaking it, but I don't want to spend all day tweaking the BIOS just to get it to run at 5 gigahertz, but overclock isn't too bad. You can see what the front looks like there. Got the Aura sticker at the top. We're going to boot this up and I'm going to see what all the RGBs look like. So you see, I've got all the fans synced up. Once I boot into Windows, it should sync. They should all be synced, and that goes RGB crazy as well. Once it boots into Windows, I'll show you that as well. Overall, it's pretty dope. I love the kind of white and black and RGB theme going throughout. The lights on the graphics card as well lights up pretty damn good. If you look under there, you can get a better look at it. And also, there's RGB on the RAM and the motherboard itself as well, which you can actually go into the Gigabyte software and customize all the different colors that you want. So that is pretty dope. And also I do have a little fingerprint reader up here, which if you have Windows, you can pick this up for like £25. You just put your fingerprint on and it just logs you in, no problem there. Hopefully once I've logged in, that should start, the profile should kick in and it should change to RGB, so I could show you that as well. But overall, system build pretty good. I didn't run into too much problems. The one thing to note is the USBs at the top, the USB ports at the top, because there's only two ports down here. I did have to kind of axe them. So I've got the pump connected to it and the RGB fans connected to it, and I'm just using them too. So like I said, I'm not really going to be using the front two USB ones. There's two USB 3.1s at the top that I'm using, so that's not much of an issue. So yeah, that's pretty dope. I'm going to show you the back of it. Oh, the fans just kicked in, so I can show you that as well. That's pretty dope. Just kind of just goes crazy with RGB. So you can see what it looks like. It's pretty dope. And you've got this nice smoked tempered glass as well. I'll show you the back of it. You got all the ports at the back, so you can see you could actually power it up and clear the CMOS at the back. You got Wi-Fi and all your ports and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to flip the PC around. I'm going to show you my amazing cable management skills. So when I take a look at the cable management at the back, it's not particularly great. It's nothing spectacular. To be honest, the back of the case it's not really going to be shown the way I'm going to position it. So I did cable tie down a few things, try to make it look as presentable as possible, but it is what it is. I managed to squeeze everything in. I've got my three hard drives at the back. I've got a nice upgrade on this. A little story behind it. I ordered like a 6 terabyte one, and it accidentally sent me this high-end 10 terabyte one, so I'm not really complaining there. So I mounted my 3 hard drives at the back, so I don't have to use the hard drive bays at the front. I'll remove those ones. So that's what it looks like at the back. Let's just close that back up and go back to the front. In fact, we could go to the front of the case right here. I did kind of put that sticker on there. Tell me what you think of it, if it looks good or not. And then you got the RGB fans at the top, and I've got them set to all be in sync in kind of like a wave motion. You can customize the colors and how fast you want it to go and all of that good stuff. So yeah, let me flip it back around to the front. So that's about it for the build. The temps are pretty good on the computer. I don't have any issues there. Everything's nice and cool, even though when I'm gaming, I've stress tested it. I've done all that good stuff, so everything is all right. Like I said before, I've overclocked the CPU to 4.9 gigahertz. I haven't touched the graphics card yet, but I'm gonna overclock that and see if I could get some a good overclock on that as well. That is about it for the Frostbite build. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. At the end of this video, I'm going to include like a quick gameplay, probably maybe Battlefield 1 or maybe a Black Ops 1, I haven't decided yet, but I'll include like a quick gameplay in there just so you can see how it runs. And yeah, so that is about it for the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of the build. Let me know if you're planning on building something similar. Leave all the specs and all that good stuff in the comment section down below. And thanks for watching. Peace.
Reporting in.
Kill confirmed. Consider all contacts hostile. We have the advantage.
Shooter.
We're losing the fight. Tango down.
Laser wire GTG.
We've taken control.
Fire break contained.
We've lost the lead.
We take the tag.
Ready to deploy barricade.
Hostile UAV circling.
Activating barricade.
Hostile lightning strike targeting active.
Push for the tag.
Enemy lightning strike inbound.
Hostiles have destroyed your barricade.
Firebreak container.
Enemy UAV above.
Angle down. I can't put right away there.
Enemy UAV above.
Hostile battery down. Barricades ready.
Enemy sniper's nest inbound. Net call. Hostile Hellstorm inbound.
Take tags or we lose.
Firebreak kill.
He's gone.
Taking this. Push now.
That's all right.
Your barricade has been destroyed.
Sniper helicopter above. I can't put right away there. Transitioning ballistic shield.
Hostile UAV circling. That's a loss. Remaining assets returned for debrief.